So here's just a very quick little Sheldon update. We've got the cabinet assembled, drawers in. I think we've already shown that. We now have the bed set back in place. It's not completely bolted down yet. I've still got to put some little gasket material underneath each of the feet. So it was originally came with little gaskets underneath there. So if you ran coolant and it got in your tray, why it didn't get underneath the feet and all that stuff, rust out the pan and the bottoms of the feet type of thing. So yesterday we spent a little bit in the afternoon cleaning up under dry parts. We've got it all disassembled and new bearings ordered, and that's getting ready to go together. We'll have bearings here in the next day or two, and we've got a little more cleaning to do on these. We just pressure washed everything off, and now we'll go back, final scrub them down, get them primed and painted. Just a quick little update.